Hey guys, this is a cordless leaf blower, which is a perfect yard cleanup tool. Let's look at all the accessories that it comes with. So 2 batteries, each battery is 7.8 AH. Pretty big size. Look, check this out. Lithium ion batteries. This is the setup. So you would just put these tubes in and then put this in here. Comes with the shoulder strap, even though this is very lightweight for the power that it puts out. Very easy to control with your thumb over here. A comfortable grip with this handle. Very good appearance. Great colors for the yard care equipment. Comes with this charger, which is really easy to read when it's charging. And it has these lights on here. To check the battery charge level, you just press this battery button right here and you see this lights up. So this is 2/3 charged. When it's fully charged, all 3 lights will light up. So this thing pushes out up to 530 CFM at 120 miles per hour, which is strong enough to clear wet leaves, dust, debris. It is powered by a brushless motor, which means better performance, less noise, and longer life. You get 2 7.8 AH lithium batteries, which give you up to 3 hours on low or 40 minutes on turbo of continuous blowing power. That's more than enough to clean up full yard. And yep, it comes with a fast charger. It has 5 speed levels, so you can go from light dusting on your patio to full-on turbo for wet leaves or even light snow. 1 tool, 4 seasons, no need to swap out gear every month. It's only 4.3 pounds in weight, super quiet at 64 decibels, and it's also weather resistant. The shoulder strap shifts weight to your shoulders, and the rubber grip handle is great and stays solid in your hand even in wet conditions. If you're tired of blowers that are bulky, loud, and run out of juice fast, this one's got the comfort, the power, and the battery life to do it all.